Hey Edgar, so this is your website looking at it. Got a little bit of content, but not a whole lot. You only got 330 words. I like to have at least 1,000 and more, depending on what the competitor has. I'll show you what he has in a second. But then you want to make sure the content has organic keywords in it that you want to rank for. Another thing is when you save these images, you don't want it to be a date or gibberish in here. You want it to be a keyword. So you do like Dallas or flooring contractor Dallas or Dallas, Texas. You know, some keyword that you want to rank for. Um, let's go here. Flooring contractor Dallas. First, there'd be ads here if there's any, and then there would be this GMB. And then this is organic ranking. Coming down here, grabbing this guy. This other stuff is just directories. But grabbing this guy, go look at his website. This is what it looks like. He's got more content, but he doesn't have a ton. He only has 838, so you'd probably want to go to 1,500 to beat him for that. And then let's see what his images are saved as. I have a feeling. Craft order for his Dallas, Texas. Yeah, so see he's got these. He's got some keywords in here. Hardwood floors, Dallas, Texas. Yeah, so he is actually. He does have his. He does have his images saved correctly. Let's see if it's just. Yeah. Yep. So he wants those keywords. So he's just saving his images properly. A tool I like to use is Ahrefs. So putting in here. So this is a little deceiving. Since you have your website is made from Google, it these numbers are kind of wacky whenever you have a business website or a .biz site, but you don't have any backlinks or referring domains. You only have one organic keyword, which is that, which doesn't mean anything. But yeah, so this is pretty deceiving right here. It would probably, if it was any other website, it would be 00 or NA. Go into your competitor. He's got 25 UR and a DR of 12, 562 backlinks. So I want to make sure I have the right guy up there. And 143 referring domains. He's got 1,700 keywords, and he gets 700 people that visit him a month. But we can go in here and see what backlinks he has, and we can grab the ones that we like. You want to make sure you grab ones that are relevant to your industry. So you'd want like floor contractors, you'd want renovations, remodeling, basically anything that has to deal with that's similar to what you do yourself. You also want to make sure you get high DR and high UR, and then there's a difference between no follow and do follow. No follow basically doesn't pass you any of the strength from their website. This is him. I think this is. Here's one. Let's see what he got here. So this looks like local Yahoo. So this is a Yahoo. This is a link back from Yahoo. Local Yahoo. I'm not. Say you could come in here and try to figure out how you get this, and get this to link back to you. And then you can grab that backlink for yourself, and you can come in here and you can grab some other ones. There's another Yahoo one, and just come in here and grab the ones that you want. You don't want to get the spammy ones, and you want to get ones that are relevant to your industry. Otherwise, you can go to other competitors, grab theirs as well. Other ways you could get them yourself. You could do blog post. You could do blog commenting. You could do guest post. You could do sponsors. Basically, you pay to get sponsors you're paying, and they'll link back to your website. You could do news articles and stuff like that. Basically, anything that links back to you. But again, you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry and is not a spammy website. Something with good UR and DR. Then let's see what his keywords are. So hardwood flooring Dallas is his #1 keyword. He's ranked #1 for that. 200 people search that a month. At 12 KD is not too hard to beat. It's harder than lower numbers, but it's not terrible. It will take it will take some time, but it's not too bad. Texas hardwood flooring. Well, you could start off with this one. Oh wait, that's Texas. You'd probably want Dallas. That's a little bit too national or state. It's not very specific. Let's see. Dallas hardwood floor 70. It's a 9 KD. So there's that one you could go for. This one it's got the S there, but it's harder to go for, and it's got a little less volume. Let's see. That's 70 and 12. Let's come on. Unique hardwood floor. No, that doesn't have any location to it. As far as Dallas, Texas. Laminate flooring, Dallas, right here. Here's a nice one right there. 80 volume, 0 KD. That's really nice. Also, this one, Flooring Company's Dallas. I don't know why I didn't see that one. It's 80 volume, 0 KD. Those two are super good, super easy to rank for. A lot of volume. If you get the first spot, you can expect to get about a third of that as traffic to your website. Let's see. Let's make sure. Let's see. So this, yeah, that's just over a third right there. That's over a third right there. 50 would have been a third. 60 would have been a third there. I think so, roughly that. My math might be a little off, but wood flooring, Dallas, Texas, that's 10. 10's not too bad, though. You could go for that. Flooring Contractors, Dallas, Texas, 71 KD. Flooring Company, 54 KD. You just come in here, you see hardwood floor refinishing, Dallas, 40 and 2. Flooring Companies in Dallas, Texas, 40 and 0. Just adding that in there, another one to go for. So, add these as images, saved as images for keywords. Add it organically to your content. Here's another one right there. But yeah, you can just come in here and see all the ones that you want. Hand scraped hardwood floors, Dallas. But yeah, you could find the ones you want. You could come check out other competitors, and then get them to your website. And you want higher volume, lower KD, and then location specific. Like how much like this. Who's gonna search that and then come to your website, and you might get a couple customers, but you're not going to get anything close to this 1,300 that they're advertising with the volume there. And the KD's pretty ridiculous just to try to get the one or two customers you might get. But yeah, you can. There's a bunch of them in here. You just do a lot of research. There's 37 pages we could go through for this guy, and then there's so many other companies we could go and look at, as well as we can check out Keyword Explorer and search for other things. The next thing is this GMB. Coming in here, you want to make sure you have it completely filled out. It's free to do. It's free to make. They'll send you a postcard, and then you just gotta verify yourself, and then you want to make sure you fill it out 100%. You don't want to skip any steps. And then photos in here, you want to save with keywords, and you want to add as many photos as you can. Photos are the content for the GMB. Next thing is citations. My citations thing is not finished yet, but I'll tell you how many citations. There's 8 right now. This might be some more. This thing is still finding them. But basically, citations are just directories, like Yellow Pages, or obviously Facebook, Bing, usinfo.com, near eView, Yelp, Yellow Pages. There's a whole bunch of them out there. There's thousands of them. A lot are free, some are paid. But yeah, you can just go out there and grab them. It's time consuming, but it's not too hard. You do want to make sure that your name for your GMB is the exact same as you're putting in the directories, as well as your phone number. I actually didn't use this guy because he doesn't have his phone number on here. This guy, I don't know why he's there. He's kind of fluky. He didn't finish his GMB, or he hit his phone number or something. But the phone number you want to make sure is the same, the name, and then the location. So then you'll get the citation for that. Anyways, I hope that helps you. If you want, we can have a phone call or a video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.